Hi, welcome to Food and Tripling. Today we are making cheesy paneer bread pizza. So let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon ghee, then add 1 teaspoon red chili powder to it. After that, add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Then add salt according to your taste and half teaspoon kasuri methi. You can add coriander masala also or coriander powder, but I have added here cumin powder half teaspoon. Then add 1 tablespoon gram flour, that is besan. Add according 2 tablespoon curd to it so that it will get marinated well. Add black pepper according to your taste and chaat masala. Add pizza masala to it and some oreganos. You can add as many seasonings according to you. Now add 1 chopped onion and 1 small capsicum to it. Add 1 cup paneer to it. Now mix it well and place aside for 10 minutes. Now we'll start preparation for our sauce. So 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoon pizza masala sauce and 1 to 2 tablespoon mayonnaise to it. Mix it well and keep aside. Now we will take 6 slices of the bread. I have taken brown bread. You can take whichever bread of your choice. Now take any round cutter. So I have taken 1 bowl to shape in a round. Place it gently. Do not throw away the remaining bread slice. Instead of that, you can make breadcrumbs out of it and use it in a different snack. After that, take 1 round bread slice and cut it with a small size cutter. I have taken 1 small round glass. Now place it on another slice. Now apply sauce to the base of the slice. Now add the marinated paneer inside the bread slices. Take a cheese slice and cut it into a square shape and place a square shaped cheese on the top of it. Now preheat the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Place our paneer bread pizza inside the oven for almost 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. After that, you can enjoy your yummy bread pizza slice. If you have enjoyed the recipe, do subscribe, like and comment on my channel. Thank you.